which I have launched, so that you can get a view about how to become a full stack developer or a full stack React.js developers, and what the various courses I have. A bit about me, those who don't know me, I am a full stack JavaScript developer and currently working as an associate architect in a company in Bangalore. But sooner I'm going full time, and I'm in the teaching industry. Means I'm teaching on a part-time basis, on a weekend, on after my job, for the past 1 year. And before that I have written many books. You can go through my LinkedIn profile. I have written many technical books, 3 technical books. I have a YouTube channel. I have done a lot, means. And beside that I have taught around 100 students for various startups on a direct online live classes on a group coaching format. So I know how to teach them the basic of React.js, and they're very much well placed. So I have got some reviews from them on my site also, on LinkedIn also. I have got reviews from them, good reviews and all. So those are there, those are about me. But what I want to do is I want to help students. My goal for this year 2021, whatever is remaining in 2022, is to help 5,000 people to get into web app development and change their career, because I think this is the ultimate career to be in. And I am there to help you all. So most of you who don't know me, can go through my LinkedIn profile. You will know me better, who am I and what I am doing. As I have told, more than 16 years I am there in the IT industry. Past 5 years working with React.js, Angular, and all those things. And React.js is my love. So because that is the industry, that is how the industry is moving. I will not tell anyone to learn Angular today or Vue today if is not working on that project. But React.js is the thing which if you learn, it will solidify your career for the next 5 to 10 years, because it is not going anywhere. Okay, so but you have to learn the basic HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and even after that you are put in an Angular project. It doesn't matter. Actually, it doesn't matter, because the main thing is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. A lot of things, a lot of people skip those things, but a lot of people know that thing also, and they struggle in React.js. So I got courses for both of the ways. So without wasting any time, means I can take all of you to the courses which I have. Yeah, they are all paid courses, and if you want to learn from me without, means uh, without paying and all, then I have very good YouTube channel also. Okay, so these are the courses which I have. Okay, so these are the courses which I have. The web dev, see, so YouTube projects, you don't go on the YouTube project. It is just like some my YouTube channel thing is there. I will not tell much about it. Okay, so one sec. So one of my top top thing which I have been developing for the past 3 months is my web dev transition course. Okay, wait a sec. So this, yeah, so this web dev transition course is there. I will tell more about this web dev transition course. Okay, so yeah, so web dev transition course, what is it? So this is, right now I'm giving it for 999. Because I'm just launching. I'm not going to give it for less than, means ultimately price will settle at 4,999. But right now I'm giving it for 999. So this is my ultimate course. So it is mainly a combination of yeah, courses like Udemy, means in which the recorded courses are there. The second thing is that it is I go live every Thursday and do a weekly coaching call. I have already done 2 weekly coaching calls. There are already students are here, so I've already done the weekly coaching calls in this. So, and I'm going to do that for the rest of the life. So it's a lifetime access to the weekly coaching calls. Okay, and beside that we have a community, and I'm going to support the community. We have a Facebook group, we have a Telegram group, and all those things are there. And I am doing giving access to two one-to-ones also in this course. So two one-to-ones are there, in which what happens means, I will, for half an hour you can connect with me and I can solve you. I will not solve your technical problems. Technical problems I will always solve. When you're in the course, technical problems are always there. I or my teaching assistant, they will always solve all of your technical questions. That is not an issue. But the thing is that there are every people career is different. So this is targeted for everyone. This is targeted for production support people also who want to get back into development. This is targeted for housewife also who want to get into development, anything, because I teach the basic HTML, CSS and JavaScript and React also in it. Okay, so that is like that. And for students who are from some other branch, suppose a mechanical student want to become a developer, what he will do? They cannot learn anything very tough. So a mechanical student, mechanical engineering student can also become a developer. Commerce students can also become a developer. Okay, so that's why it is known as Webrip transition system. You can make a transition to the development. So as it is in full access, learn on the go, weekly coaching calls, 1-to-1 and free 5 bonus courses. So this is all available in the Teachable, and the initial offer is 999 as I've told. So let's go to the Teachable. So this is the course which is there. So this is a bundle of 6 courses. If I go here, so it has got day 1, day 2 and day 3. So I will take you through all these things. Means see, if you are a person who is not from a computer science background or coming from some other background, and even if you are from computer science background, because I know in colleges nobody teaches much, means you are still learning Java, which is not required anywhere. Okay, so I have I just don't directly start with technical thing. You can learn that from some YouTube videos also, and hundreds and thousands of courses on Udemy also. So this is all about my means how I have seen the industry grow for last 5 to 10 years. Because this is, I want you to help to become a developer. I want to help you to get into development. So this is what it is all about, how to get into development. So that's why I have not put all this. See, HTML, CSS and JavaScripts are there, JavaScript DOM are there, all these things are there. And it's only a 3-day course, so you can complete it within 3 days and you can learn the basic of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And not only that, you can learn the basics of networking and live things also. Live coaching is also there, because it is not just like networking, only networking is enough. Yeah, networking is also enough. Networking means I'm talking about social networking. You have to, nowadays it is like that, you have to code in the public. You have to code in the public. You just cannot code in the silos like that and you think that you will become a developer. I know many people, they say that, okay, I'm learning ReactJS, I want to become a ReactJS developer. But who knows? You have to put that into LinkedIn, you have to put that into Twitter, then only people will know. So I will give the exact tactics, how to put that into LinkedIn, how to put that into Twitter here. Exact tactics will be there. Then there are some habits which you need to form. Just like I wake up at 5 a.m. You don't have to wake up at 5, but there have to be something which have to be done, everything. So if you cannot do that thing, please don't become a developer. I will just tell you, you'll waste your time, you'll waste your money, everything. Developers are the people who code daily. So you have to code daily. That is very, 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 very important. So those rituals, those habits you have to form. There's some positive rituals which you have to do. You have to listen to some positive motivational videos. And I have got a very good motivational videos here, which I myself hear every day 2 times, morning and before night. Morning means not after waking up, because after waking up I'm recording this. So morning but before 9, and at night before sleeping. So some motivation things you have to do. You have to read the self-help books. They are very important. They are very important for a developer journey. So because I don't want to become a mediocre developer, I want to be, you want to become a superior developer. I want to be you to become a top developer. Those are the things which are required, not just coding, but your mental thing, your daily habits are required. Because the mediocre developers I see, interview a lot of developers from a company. The mediocre developer I see, they don't miss in React. Hooks are the way to go forward, and they have not even learned hooks. They don't even know about hooks. They're still stuck with class-based component because their company is doing that. So this doesn't work like that. So I will teach everything. I'll teach everything. Means this is for absolute beginner who don't even know how to code, how to write anything. Means this is for absolute beginner, but for everyone. Means see all the things which you have to do, all the actions which you have to take, all of the things are there. And then I the technical thing is also there. It is not like that I will only do talking and how to do this, how to do social media networking and all. No, I can teach you everything. I am a developer for 16. I'm in the industry for 16 years and I'm teaching for the past 1 year. And before that, for the past 5 years, I'm an author also, technical author also. Okay, so and these things are there, these technical things are there, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and all in this course. But this course doesn't ends there. As I'm saying, it's a bundle of 6 courses. Okay, so this is the first one which comes, and you can complete it in 3 days, and you have to complete it in 3 days or life takes over. So, okay, so after that, the next thing is that you should do CSS, Flexbox and Grid. This is a very good course. Our CSS, Flexbox and Grid, all my courses are to the point, small, to the point. You can do them quickly. I don't like to put 10 hours long course, especially on for YouTube. It is okay, but here it is not okay. This, you are my student here. Yeah, YouTube people learn like long courses. I know those things. 10 hours long videos gain a lot of momentum there, because in YouTube we want watching hours. I am also YouTuber, I know that thing. But here I want to give the knowledge so that you can attain the knowledge at a very fast pace and become a developer within the next 6 months. Okay, so this is their Flexbox and Grid. The most important thing to learn, it is their Flexbox and Grid. Okay, then after that I will teach you CSS projects, which are again very important things. I'll add more projects to it, but the thing is that I have added the projects something like that. One is with the pure HTML, CSS. So I've kept this course is very small so that people can complete it much better, and so that is there. And so I think is that a pure HTML CSS project is there, Flexbox project is there, and a CSS project is project Grid project is there. After that, async JavaScript. See, I'm teaching in transition also JavaScript, but async JavaScript and ES6, they are very important. They're advanced form of JavaScript. Async JavaScript is known as asynchronous JavaScript. It is used for a lot of tasks, and you will learn about it. And ES6 also you will learn about it. Okay, so that is there. And why it is going to admin. Okay, so async JavaScript, then JavaScript projects. I have done 3 top projects. A lot of things I'm going to add again in this, and how I add in it I will tell. Okay, so JavaScript projects are there, and see, the ReactJS course is there, ultimate ReactJS course. So it is not like that I'm not teaching everything, I'm teaching everything here. So the ReactJS course ultimate. Okay, and one more thing, this four I have recorded. Now what I have started to do means ReactJS hooks is there. So now a lot of things you might be seeing that I want more thing in this course and more thing. Okay, so these two, see, ReactJS hooks 1 and 2, these are from my live classes. As I told, every Thursday I am taking the live class, and that will go to the respective bundle. See, if I do some CSS project, it will go to CSS. If I do some right now I'm in my ReactJS course, I have only taught the class based thing, but I thought that I should teach everything, like the hooks also. After hooks, I will teach Redux also. Then we'll do projects. Then we'll think about different projects. Whether it's then it's all about projects after that. CSS project, JavaScript projects, ReactJS project, ReactJS advanced projects. All those things I am going to teach. And there is a weekly coaching vault. So this will go to this its respective packages also, and this will go to weekly coaching vault, so that I can get a track. So weekly coaching vault, I think it is not updated or what. Okay, I am not updated yet. This, so I am uploading. So as I've told, every Thursday at 9 p.m. I take the weekly coaching class. So this I take it on a Zoom call for all of my students, and they come there and they interact also with me once they ask the questions. And so hooks I have taken on August 9, and yesterday also took I one. This was mainly the hooks introduction and use state, and in the second call I have taken the use effect hook. So we will complete the hook in next class. Then redux will come, then react, then projects will come, and all those things. Besides this, in the weekly coaching call, I am planning to do some other things also, like a lot of people have a lot of Q&A, so I will solve my students Q&A first. So my students are my first priority, then YouTube is also there. YouTube students are also there, but the students are my first priority. So I have around 20 students. So for them, I will right now I have 20 students. So my goal is 5,000 students in this year by 2022, and 5,000 students to teach 5,000 students. It's very important. If I change the life of 5,000 students, I'll be the happiest person on this planet. Okay, so this is there every day. So this after 1 month you will come, so you will see and more, because every Thursday the classes are there. Okay, so this is about my premium course, the Webrip transition system, which is worth everything. And now after that, I have another 3 courses which I want to tell. So first is that there are a lot of people in the industry who know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or a student is there who know HTML, CSS, JavaScript. All of working professionals are there. So for them, I am launching this mini ReactJS bootcamp for 2 days. It will occur on 4th and 5th of September, Saturday and Sunday. So if you are a working professional and you want to learn about ReactJS quickly so that you can apply it in the job, so it will be 12 hours, complete 12-hour bootcamp is 6 hours on Saturday, 6 hours on Sunday, and that is, you see, ReactJS is not as big as Angular. It is more than enough to learn ReactJS in 12 hours. And plus, you can go through my YouTube channel and all those things. But I am giving some more benefit in this course, because I'm just starting off. So this, as I have told, this is a 2-day weekly ReactJS bootcamp. I have introduction to ReactJS class-based component, ReactJS hooks, and a ReactJS project. Not more than that I can teach in that. But there is a main thing. As I'm just starting off, I am giving my web dev transition course for free with this. If you buy it now for 999, which is on 4th and 5th, I will give this, means before 4th and 5th anyways you have to buy. So I will give my premium course, web transition course, free. So that web transition course you will get for free. What's as I have told, the benefit of it, that you are going to get that weekly coaching call also, beside the complete recording thing, weekly coaching call, getting into the community, getting directly help from me wherever you are stuck. I will get the help from me, instant help from me. Means not in a night I can give, but me or my TAs will give you help. Teaching assistants will give you help instantly. They will give you help, and I will give you help. So programming, you don't have to always rely on a Stack Overflow. You will get the help. Then you will have the one-to-one, so that I can guide you how you can take your career to one-to-one. One, we should take the startup, and you should try to get the, and so it's automated system. Like, you go to Calendly, I will give you a Calendly link. You go there, book a 30-minute one-to-one with me, and take your career to the next level. So that is there in the web transition course, which I am giving free with this ReactJS bootcamp only for the last time. Actually, this ReactJS bootcamp I am going to have every month, but this thing I am not going to have anymore. Okay, so this thing I'm not going to have anymore. So do it quickly. It's a 2 days, and there are limited seats, because for my Zoom has also got some limitations. So there are limited seats in there. So grab it quickly and get your free course. The moment you register, you'll get your free course. You can start learning from this web dev transition course, because and get going. So this is about that. See, if you are working professional or anyone who want to learn ReactJS, this is the bootcamp to go. But I have got longer boot camp also. Okay, so this is the ultimate thing, the web dev boot camp. Okay, so the web dev boot camp is my ultimate boot camp. It is a 1.5 month long, weekdays, live evening, or weekend. So it is like that. Weekdays I will teach 4 days. Okay, 4 days I will teach you on a weekend, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, 1 hour each. And it will be live, means we'll do it through Zoom. We'll do it through, so I'm giving you my personal thing, means this kind of courses I have done for startups and all, batches. So I am expertise in this, means. So this 1.5 month long, weekdays or weekend 2 hours. Weekend 2 hours means in the weekend, if you take the weekend, means some people are very busy in the weekdays also. In the weekend means from in on us from around 1 to 1, that around 2 to 4 in the afternoon on a Saturday. On a Sunday, maybe Sunday also, I will keep the same time. That will decide later on. So once a lot of people register, that will be decided. So it's a what's that main thing? It's a 1.5 months long thing. I'll start from a basic HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and complete React.js ecosystem. Again, I will give you a path. Either you can follow that path. So, but I will tell you follow that path. So, if you follow that path, I will make sure that you will get an internship or a job. And you'll even, the path is so good, good that even I don't have to get you an internship or a job. You will get on yourself only. I have a lot of contact. Means React.js is such a hot thing. People in my current company also always ask me, give me React.js person. People, I'm in contact with a lot of people in LinkedIn. I have 16,500 followers there. So a lot of people from the startup world also knows that I teach in a startups and all. I teach a lot. So they ask me, give me your students. So those things are always there. But the thing is that you have to, it is not like teaching in some coaching institute. You come here and you teach and you forget everything and I give you a internship or a job. No, 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 that is not like that. You have to be genuine. You have to complete the assignment. You have to, will check those things. You have to complete the assignment. You have to build your portfolio site. You have to do the things which I will tell you. You have to be active on social media. All those things are there. And that's why we have daily class. So you'll have be accountable. So I will make sure that you are accountable in those daily classes. So all the things are there. HTML, CSS, Java. If you want to see some of the syllabus, this is the syllabus, all those things. So all these things are there. I mapped out all the things because I have done this coaching for many times, means. So I know what to teach here. So and it will contain a lot of projects also, because I believe in a project based learning a lot. Not only the theory, you have to learn a project based also. Some small projects will start and we'll go to some bigger projects. Okay, so that is a project based learning, which is very important. And then after that also I have written that teaching assistant is available, one to one with me, access to unique project. Yeah, I'm planning to do that, some unique and advanced project, guidance to take part in 100 days of code. This is a very important thing. I will give you guidance to take part in this 100 days of code. And again, with this thing, I will always, this thing will always there, that my premium course, web dev transition course, will be free, because you should have that also. That is a very good course. You should have that. And on top of it, I'm giving my book 𝐔𝐸_JS worth 2,500 for free with this course. So my books, if you see the, I will tell a bit about my books. Okay, this is my site, you can visit it also. And these are my books which are there on Amazon and all. Foundation Gatsby is something which is related to React.js, and they are trying to replace WordPress so that a developer can love to code those site. Okay, so I have got 3 books. So I will give initially I will give the physical copy also, because I've got a lot of physical copies. Then after that, once the physical copies are over, see, every book is 2,600 and all. So then I can give you the electronic copy. Okay, so but this I will give. Okay, with this. Okay, as I've told, so this you give, so you can keep it. And then this is the main thing, help to get a, okay, I've increased the size. Help to get an internship job if required, but the student need to complete assignment and a project, as I've told earlier. Help to get a internship and a job, and lifetime part of the community. You see, you will get access to this, so you'll get a lifetime access to the community. I'm not. So I have already told to my people in my group that I'll always teach on a Thursday at 9 p.m. Maybe 1 or 2 weeks in a year I will take it off because I also have to go to holidays and all. But those 2 or 3 weeks which I will take off, I'll make sure that I will record something and put it there for the 9 p.m. So those 2 3 weeks will be not live, but every other week will be live. That is my promise. So you'll always get that weekly coaching call, lifetime, for lifetime, the weekly coaching call. Okay, so and complete recordings of the live classes will also be available. Suppose you'll say I will miss there are around 40 live classes. Okay, so you'll get that live classes also. Those 40 live classes recordings will be again be available on my web dev school. It will again available somewhere for the, but this will not be available to the L1 people. L1 people, so this will be available to, see, it is a silver, so that will be recordings will be available to this level people only. Okay, so that is about the web dev bootcamp. And a lot of people are there who tells that they know HTML, CSS and JavaScript, but they want a help in ReactJS. And for them only, I made this ReactJS bootcamp, which is right now I'm this is initial launch offer 9,999. It will go to 20,000. Okay, 19,999 it will go. So this is the ReactJS bootcamp. So I have cut the web development part here, means the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, because a lot of people tell me that they know this HTML, CSS, JavaScript, they only want that. So everything else is same. Everything else is, including the even the Gatsby.js book, you will get the same, but it is less cost because it is its duration is around 20 days, because it doesn't take more than that, means its duration for those live classes, but the everything else is for the lifetime live classes. And then after all also those live classes is over, I'll make sure that in 3 months you complete that 100 days of code challenge, and you have at least 100 days to show on your portfolio and all. You have a very good portfolio. I don't want your portfolio side to have 10 15 projects. Yeah, I want them to have 100 projects. I want them to have at least 30 projects, 30 small projects and 10 big projects, so that you get a job like this. And you code in public. Code in public is the main thing, so I will help you to code in public. I will give you the boost. I have i have as I've told, I have 16,500 followers, which is increasing on a daily basis. I will promote you there. If I just like a post, I write a comment on a post, it gets a lot of view, it gets a lot of industry things, industry expert who are there on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the best place to get a job in India. Nothing else comes close to it. But LinkedIn is not just a site like Naukri and all. You have to be very much active on LinkedIn to get a job. So this is their ReactJS course is also, it will cover everything, every technical thing is out there, from React to just in a 20 days and all. And after that, there will be projects. Okay, there will be projects. And as I have told, that access to advanced and unique projects in web dev projects. There is a web dev projects which I'm creating. So after your live sessions are done, I will tell you to go through to that web dev projects, and it will contain initially 30 projects. Okay, so those 30 projects, you complete those 30 projects and learn from them, and change a bit or do something different, and make a project and put it on the LinkedIn and in your portfolio side. Those 30 projects will be very unique projects, and it will not be there outside in my YouTube channel or somewhere, and those will be very unique, and you can go through them, create them and all these things. So with this means I'm there to help you out with the 4 courses which I have, so that you can be a React.js developer, so that you can be a web app developer, so that you can be a full stack JavaScript developer. Okay, we have been, so it's a full stack JavaScript developer. It's not like, okay, I think I forgot to tell, it's not just React, it's a React ecosystem I'm teaching. I'll teach Node.js also, Firebase also. All those things are also there. Node.js, Firebase, because some student was asking me other day whether it will be full stack. Yeah, it will be full stack. GitHub and all those things you will have. Full stack, it will be there. And then, as I've told, with these last 2 courses, React.js Bootcamp and Web Dev Bootcamp, I will provide the internship also if it is required. Okay, so with this I will end my live stream, and this live stream will be available in my YouTube. And uh, one more thing, I'm going to have a webinar on a Saturday. Every Saturday I have a webinar in which I discuss again in detail about my course. So if you want to see that webinar, you can, I will provide a link also in this YouTube video, because this live stream will be there on my YouTube channel, and this live stream is going to Facebook and all. But Facebook and all, they will not be there for a long time. You know that they get in the feed, it is very difficult to find out. So now it is okay. But my YouTube channel, this will always be there, and you can come to my webinar also, and we can interact much better. Okay, and you can again get the hang of it, and some special offers also are there. So with this, I am ending my live stream, and hope this was useful. And a lot of confusion might be there about my courses, because see, I have launched a lot of courses, okay, so at one go. So but what is this, see, if you want more one-to-one and all, you go with that web dev bootcamp or the React.js bootcamp. And if you think that you want to learn on the go, then go to with the web dev transition kit. And if you think you know this everything, means you are a working professional, you don't have time, so attend my weekend React.js bootcamp. So with this, I am ending this. Thank you for watching, or you'll watch this on my YouTube channel. Thank you.